This is the way the James family lived for over 60 years. Electricity was just too expensive to install in their cottage. Now, though, there's light. Gaining power took Nancy and her husband 5 years once they'd made the momentous decision. This week, Mrs. James has been using a vacuum cleaner every day instead of kneeling with her dustpan and brush. They'd almost given up hope of getting switched on until power lines were laid to a new house close by. That brought the cost down from £3,000 to £500. It means that in their 60s, the couple are beginning to use gadgets that have been a common part of other homes for decades. Progress has been slow. The cottage only had gas lights installed 15 years ago, long after most people had scrapped them. Until then, they'd just had oil lamps. What's it like having electricity now?
Well, very nice, very useful to be able to do the cleaning and things. And as I say, not having to run around in the dark looking for matches or anything to light the lamp.
What's the best part of it then for you?
Well, the cleaning part I think is the most that I want, really. And the television, of course.
How did you used to clean before then?
Well, dustpan and brush or a carpet sweeper.
Mr. James, what is your favourite gadget?
Well, there's no more gadgets for me. I used to be able to watch the television, have some racing on, and some of the antics they get up with this boxing and wrestling business.
What sort of things did you do for entertainment before then?
Well, we had a game of cards, that was mostly, and if we wanted to see television, we went out to see it.
Most people, particularly in West Wales, are coming here and trying to do without electricity. You though, go in the opposite way.
Well, we've been so long with that sort of thing that we are glad to have something else.
Is there anything you're going to miss, though?
Not really. Well, we'll have to miss oiling the lamp and trimming the wicks every day. That's one thing about it.
There's one side benefit of having electricity installed. The Jameses have now realised that the lamps, which until a few days ago were their main source of light, are now valuable antiques.